need someone to save me. No, and don't come running to blame me.
Oi gente, tudo bem com vocês? Eu espero que sim. Começando mais um vídeo aqui no nosso canal e sejam muito bem-vindos a esse vídeo. Eu comecei a organizar aqui a minha cozinha e eu resolvi compartilhar isso com vocês, né? Essa organização aqui. E não se esquece, gente, de deixar o seu joinha aqui no vídeo. Ele é muito importante para que o YouTube recomende os meus vídeos para quem gosta desse tipo de conteúdo, né? Se você é novo por aqui, seja muito bem-vindo. Eu te convido a se inscrever aqui no nosso canal e acompanhar aqui os nossos vídeos, tá bem? Então, simbora para mais um vídeo.
You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now. And the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your guitar. And if I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. A picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb. And all that I've left from that time is a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me?
Já lavei aqui os potes, né, de mantimento. Lavei mesmo só por fora, porque por dentro não tem necessidade, né? Ainda. Esse aqui, ele é o mais novo aqui, chegou agora tem pouco tempo. E esses potes aqui, eu fui comprando de um por um, porque esse trem, ele é caro. Mas assim, vale muito a pena, porque a tampa deles veda muito bem, então conserva bem o alimento, né? Ali também tem o Tupper Clean, que é mais para organização, né? Para guardar ali o detergente, a buchinha. É um organizador, né? E ficou assim, tudo limpinho. E eu vou dar seguimento aqui na minha faxina.
answers under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Acabei de ligar aqui a geladeira e a limpeza tá concluída. Olha aí, tirei todas as pecinhas para lavar e ela agora tá limpinha, pronta aí para receber alguns itens da compra do mês, né?
Olhou a ideia do limpador de nariz. Obrigado por me deixar ser um mascote.
At 3 a.m. You got me waiting for your love. I'm at the corner of the club. It's pouring down, but I won't, no, I won't budge. I'll call your bluff. You think you're tough, yeah, so go ahead, come and put me off. Bring all your friends so they can watch. You're drunk dialing up the phone, so here I am at 3 a.m. You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind. You're crazy, crazy in every way I can find. You're crazy, crazy. The more I think of it, I might be crazy too. Crazy for wanting you, no. I'm just about done. I guess we'll talk when morning comes. Just chillin', keep it cool for us, yeah. Hey, that's a cue for entry. I know those eyes. Let's act surprised, yeah. You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind. You're crazy, crazy in every way I can find. You're crazy, crazy. The more I think of it, I might be crazy too. Crazy for wanting you, no. It's 9 a.m. Last night we fought down at the club, but yet you're here in my arms. They're calling us crazy. I know that it's crazy, not logical, against all odds. I call it love. I call it love.
let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life, now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile, it's impossible, not melting, irresistible, when I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface, now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other, I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher, you lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising, you're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface, now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other, I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher, you lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising, you're not rising. And let me tell you what I found, leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other, I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher, you lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising, you're not rising.
Faxina finalizada aqui, tudo ok, tudo limpinho. Vocês viram aí os produtinhos que eu usei para limpar aqui, o chão, limpei com vinagre, que boa, e aquele desinfetante da casa, perfume, são muito bons, eu gosto muito deles, eles são bem cheirosinhos. E ficou assim. Tudo em ordem, graças a Deus.